Look at this. All right, we got a real quick one today. We're gonna do core Crabby mac and cheese. This is my wife's famous mac and cheese recipe, and we're taking snow crab, butter, and core. And we're gonna layer this up with extra sharp cheddar cheese and some Monterey Jack. Stick with us. All right, once you get your noodles boiled and you get your crab meat pulled, you're gonna start layering in the pan. You're gonna start with some cheese, put your noodles down, and then I got a stick and a half of butter, and I'm just gonna put that right in my crab meat. I'm gonna mix that up. I think that might be enough. And then we're gonna layer the crab meat, and then hit it with cheese, hit it with noodles, hit it with crab, cheese, noodles, crab, all the way to the top of the pan. Okay, we got our layers done. Now I'm just gonna put some whole milk on here. All right, 450, 20 minutes, 5 minutes broil, and we're gonna take it out. Oh boy, I'm stopping it. It's been 3 minutes in broil. Oh my God. Look at that. Okay, that's too hot to eat, but look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Good night. Pork Crabby Mac is the bomb. That's really good. How was it, T?
10 out of 10, definitely recommend.
Pork Crabby Mac?